folks, welcome back. Well, it's been a mission this weekend. Sorry I haven't filmed any of it, but just see the end results. So I'm up on the roof of the van at the moment. The big solar panel which is doing its stuff. I've got all my soldering gear, all my heat shrink stuff, and my coffee obviously. And we've been putting together these lights. So just got the self-amalgamating tape to put on, and then we'll be sorted. So I'll take you down. Let's see what else we've been doing. There's the bulb filler in there. Now we've secreted a couple of little compressors in there. I wonder what those could be for. I might ask. So yeah. That's the side lights on. So I'll try and get a decent position because I've not got them wired on the switch yet. There you go. Can you see that alright? Yeah, there you go. I think they'll be bright enough. They're awesome. I really like them. And we've also got still to be wired. I think you can see it's loud enough. So I've put in two little consumer unit, two little bus bars to connect on my. I've also got my relays which will be going in here somewhere. I'm not decided where yet. I might actually bolt them on these bolts. So I'll see, we'll work out something. But that was that. So also I've been putting together all the plumbing. So I've got the filler and the vent hose. Still got to put some straps to bolt it down. I've got a full way isolation valve going to the pump. Comes through the pump, goes, tees off, goes through to the sink unit, into the Truma, and back out with the hot. So drain off valve through the floor, safety valve through the floor, other safety valve through the floor. Truma air vent in behind, which will come through down there. So yeah, we are getting on. We are really marching on. Tomorrow night I'm going to bring the fridge in and get the fridge wired through. That's why it's all stripped. But I've been on with this wiring. As I say, I've had to take all the bumper off, all the grill off, to actually get, I don't even know if you can see them at all. You can't? No. So yeah. So the two horns are actually sitting there behind that. So yeah, but super loud. Horn there. Things are super bright. Really pleased with them. Really pleased with them. They are awesome. You won't miss me on the road, put it that way. So from me and the wee man. That's all for tonight. So adios folks. Ta-ra for now.